Hey, nieces and nephews. Thank you so much for coming to check out Auntie Charlene's page. Now, why do I call myself Auntie Charlene? Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you about that a little later, as well as show you its beautiful home. I got a question for you. Are you looking to move to Dallas? I know you are. That's why you're on this page. Second question. Do you live in the Dallas area and you want to buy your first house, your second house, your fifth house? Are you a veteran? Are you looking to do a new build? I can help you with all of that. And I'm going to tell you how in just a minute. But right now, welcome to Dallas. So why subscribe to this channel? Why subscribe to Auntie Charlene? Let me tell you why. Number one, you're going to get more of what you just saw, more of the fun places of Dallas. I'm not going to just show you home tours. I want to show you Dallas, places you can enjoy. But also, we are going to do home tours, and I'm going to give you home buying tips. Here's a little sample right here. Why do I call myself Auntie Charlene? Because I love my clients just like family, y'all. Do you hear me? I love my clients just as much as I love this girl right here in the mirror. And if you missed it, it's me. I love y'all. I love to help you through the entire process. So I hold your hand from beginning to end. And with doing that, we end up being just like family. So that's why you're my nieces and my nephews. Now, what gives me the experience to do that? Three things, and then I'm finished. Number one, I used to be in mortgage, okay? I was in mortgage for 7 years. I was an underwriter, also a processor, and that whole process helped me to figure out how to do this thing so you can sit back and relax through the entire process. You may hit some bumps, but I'm there to help you. Number two, I have built 3 houses. Boom. Not only have I learned the information right because I'm a realtor of 7 years, that's number 3, but also because I have built 3 houses from beginning to end. So it helps me to help you from beginning to end. So with all that said, I need you to go down there, push the subscribe button, follow me on all my socials at DFW House Matchmaker. That's Dallas Fort Worth House Matchmaker, DFW House Matchmaker, all the socials. Subscribe to this page. Thank y'all for visiting, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.